ഇനി negative sentence നെ കുറിച്ച് നമ്മൾ നോക്കാൻ പോവുകയാണ്. Forms of present perfect tense negative sentence. What is the rule? Subject plus has or have plus not plus third form of the verb plus object. Now when we use never also it is a negative sentence. Okay, ഇവിടെ നമ്മൾ never ഉപയോഗിച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട്. Neverന്റെ അർത്ഥം negative sentence തന്നെയാണ്. So let's look into this sentence structure. She never times slept in class. She times never slept in class. She has never slept in class. Which of these sentences do you think?
He has never slept in class.
Yes, she has never slept in class. Okay, move on to the second one.
He has never shaved his head.
He has never shaved his head.
He has never shaved his head. Correct. Very correct. Very good going. Okay. She has washed her hair. She has washed her hair. She hasn't washed her hair. Which is
She hasn't
correct.
washed her hair.
She hasn't washed her hair is correct. Okay. What about the next?
They haven't
They
graduated.
haven't graduated from college.
They haven't graduated from college. Very correct. அடுத்தது.
He has never planted a
Never
tree.
planted a tree.
He has never planted a tree. Okay. അടുത്ത.
She has sung the
She
song
has
8 times.
sung the song 8
She
times.
has sung the song 8 times.
She has sang the song 8 times. എന്തുകൊണ്ടാവുന്നില്ല?
It is simple past.
Yes, ഇത് third form അല്ല. Sang third form അല്ല. Third form ആണോ നമ്മൾ എപ്പോഴും ശ്രദ്ധിച്ചോണം. Okay, very good. അടുത്ത. He ordered a pizza. He hasn't ordered a pizza. He has ordered a pizza. ഇതിൽ ഏതായിരിക്കും?
He hasn't ordered pizza.
He hasn't ordered a pizza. ഇതിൽ എന്താ തെറ്റ്? He has ordered a pizza. എന്തെങ്കിലും തെറ്റുണ്ടോ?
Negative.
Negative sentence.
നെഗറ്റീവ് സെന്റൻസ് അല്ല, പക്ഷെ പോസിറ്റീവ് ആണെങ്കിലും ഇതും ശരിയല്ലേ? ആണല്ലോ. സെന്റൻസ് സ്ട്രക്ചർ ഇസ് ഓക്കെ നോ?
Yes.
Okay, very correct. ഇനി അടുത്തത്. He hasn't broken his arm. He has broken his arm. He hasn't not broken his arm.
He hasn't
broken
his arm.
Okay, വേറെ പോസിറ്റീവ് സെന്റൻസ് ഫോം ശരിയാണോ?
Yes.
Yes. ഇതും ശരിയാണ് കേട്ടോ. പോസിറ്റീവ് ആയിരുന്നേ. That is also correct. Okay, very good. Okay, now what have you got to do? Lena's hair was dirty. Now it's clean. Wash. First sentence നോക്കൂ. Lena has washed her hair. ഇങ്ങനെ നമുക്ക് ഫ്രെയിം ചെയ്യാം. So try the second one.
Raj has lost weight.
Raj has lost
His weight.
his weight. Correct. Raj has lost his weight. Is correct. Oh, okay, we're going to the third one. Yeah. Abel played football yesterday. Now he can't walk. His leg is in plaster.
Abel
Break.
has broken his leg.
Abel has
Yes.
broken his.
Yes, നമ്മൾ സിമ്പിൾ ആയിട്ട് ഈ വേർഡ് ബ്രേക്ക് എടുത്തിട്ട് ഏബിൾ ഹാസ് അതിന്റെ തേർഡ് ഫോം ബ്രോക്കൺ. ഏബിൾ ഹാസ് ബ്രോക്കൺ ഹിസ് ലെഗ്. വളരെ ശരിയാണ്. വെരി കറക്റ്റ് ആൻസർ. വേർഡ്സ് ഓഫൻ യൂസ് വിത്ത് ദ പ്രസന്റ് പെർഫെക്റ്റ് ടെൻസ്. ഇപ്പോൾ കീ വേർഡ്സ് ഏതൊക്കെയാണ്? യെറ്റ്, സോ ഫാർ, നെവർ, എവർ, ഓൾറെഡി, സിൻസ്, ജസ്റ്റ്, ജസ്റ്റ് നൗ, സെവറൽ ടൈംസ്. അപ്പോൾ ഈ കീ വേർഡ്സ് സെന്റൻസിൽ ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ നമുക്ക് ഈസിലി പ്രസന്റ് പെർഫെക്റ്റ് ടെൻസിനെ ഐഡന്റിഫൈ ചെയ്യാൻ കഴിയും. കറക്റ്റ്. ഓക്കെ, ഇനി ഈ സെന്റൻസ് നോക്കൂ. സോനു, do you know where Aman is? Danny, yes, I have heavily used his keywords. I have just seen him. എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ ജസ്റ്റ് എടുത്തതെന്ന് ആർക്കെങ്കിലും പറയാൻ പറ്റും? Can someone explain?
Because he saw him just now. Because right now.
Yes, ഇത് ഈ തേർഡ് സെന്റൻസ് ആണ് അതിന്റെ നമുക്ക് ഹിന്റ് തരുന്നത്. ഹീസ് ഇൻ ദ കിച്ചൺ. അപ്പോൾ ഉടനടി കണ്ടത് കൊണ്ടാണ് ഇത് നമ്മൾ ഇത്ര ഷുവർ ആയിട്ട് പറയുന്നത്. അതുകൊണ്ടാണ് ജസ്റ്റ് ഇത് വരുന്നത്. യെറ്റ് അല്ലെ സോഫാർ ഇവിടെ വരത്തില്ല. കറക്റ്റ്. ഇനി പറഞ്ഞോളൂ.
So far, she
So
hasn't had any reply.
So far,
Jenny sent off more than 20 job applications last month, but she hasn't had any replies. Yet, so far, never. So what is the answer?
So far.
so
But
far,
she hasn't, yeah, but so far she hasn't had any replies. Yet, never, അല്ല. So far തന്നെയാണ് ശരിയായ ആൻസർ. ഇതുവരെ ഒരു റിപ്ലൈയും വന്നിട്ടില്ല. ഇത്രയും ജോബ് ആപ്ലിക്കേഷൻസ് കൊടുത്തതിന് ശേഷം ഇതുവരെ ഒരു റിപ്ലൈയും വന്നില്ല എന്ന് തന്നെയാണ് ഇതിൽ നമുക്ക് പറയേണ്ടത്. ഓക്കെ. Have you finished reading that book?
I haven't started it yet.
I haven't started it yet.
Have you finished reading that book? Finished. I haven't started it yet. Yet is correct. Without using just or ever. Yet is most correct. ഇതുവരെ അത് ഫിനിഷ് ആയില്ല. I haven't started it yet. ഇതുവരെ ഞാൻ അത് ബുക്ക് വായിച്ചു കഴിഞ്ഞില്ല എന്നാണ് പറയുന്നത്. Correct. They promised to write to me once a week, but
Until now.
Until now, I only received a postcard.
until now, I only received a postcard. Yes, correct. They promised to write to me once a week. പക്ഷെ ഇതുവരെയും until now എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ ഇതുവരെയും എനിക്കൊരു പോസ്റ്റ് കാർഡേ കിട്ടിയിട്ടുള്ളൂ എന്നാണ് ഇതിന്റെ അർത്ഥം. കറക്റ്റ്. ആര്യ, Amy is looking very healthy these days. Veena, yes, she's started meditation classes.
Recently started medication class.
Yeah, ഇപ്പോൾ വളരെ അടുത്ത സമയത്ത്, that is recently, right? Any doubts here?
No, teacher.
Okay.
No, teacher.
Have you been in a submarine? Yes, once was enough.
Have you ever been?
Ever
been in a submarine?
Have you ever been in a submarine? Never so far. ഒന്നും അല്ല. Have you never been in a submarine? നമ്മൾ ചോദിക്കാറില്ല. നമ്മൾ അങ്ങനെ ഒരു പെട്ടെന്നൊരു കൺക്ലൂഷൻ എടുക്കത്തില്ല. എവർ എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ നിങ്ങൾ എപ്പോഴെങ്കിലും ഒരു സബ്മറീനിൽ ഇരിപ്പുണ്ടോ? Have you ever been in a submarine? എപ്പോഴെങ്കിലും പോയിട്ടുണ്ടോ? So the answer is yes. The answer was once was enough. Okay. Okay. Can I have a cup of tea?
I have only just
only just come.
Only just come home. Yes, correct ആണ്. You make it. കാരണം ഈ സെക്കൻഡ് സെന്റൻസ് നമുക്ക് ഹിന്റ് തരുകയാണ്. എപ്പോഴും നമ്മൾ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ ഫുൾ ആയിട്ട് വായിക്കുക. സെക്കൻഡ് സെന്റൻസ് നമുക്ക് കൂടുതൽ ഹിന്റ് തരുന്നുണ്ട്. ഇപ്പോൾ വീട്ടിലെത്തിയിട്ടേ ഉള്ളൂ, അതുകൊണ്ട് എനിക്ക് കഴിയുന്നില്ല. ഐ എം ടയേർഡ്, സോ യു മേക്ക് ഇറ്റ്. അതാണ് നമ്മുടെ ഉത്തരം. കറക്റ്റ്. ഓക്കെ, ട്രൈ ദിസ്.
up to now. I
To now.
have been to 6
Up
countries.
to now,
Now,
To
now.
Till now, I have been to.
Next week I'll see 3 more.
I have been to 6 countries in Europe, and next week I'll see 3 more. Up to now, I have up to now been to 6 countries in Europe. Okay, ഞാൻ ഇത്രയും നാളുകളിൽ 6 രാജ്യങ്ങളാണ് യൂറോപ്പിൽ സന്ദർശിച്ചത്. So up to now is very correct. That's correct answer. Okay, try this. Raji has never
eaten.
eaten sushi before. Correct. Eaten is correct. Have they ever
Sung.
Sung.
sung in a choir? Correct, Anna? Yes, correct. Now use the present perfect tense after because. Ramya can't go to the party.
Because she caught a cold.
She
She has
has
got a cold. So same ways you have to frame sentences here also.
He can't walk very
Very
fast.
fast
He
because
has
he has hurt his leg.
Yes, correct. What about this?
I can't get in because I lost the key.
lost the key.
No, I lost very low.
Has
I
lost.
had lost my
I had വരുമോ പിന്നെ തെറ്റിക്കുന്നു.
Has lost the key.
Has വരുമോ?
Because I lost the key.
അല്ല, I
Because I have lost.
have lost the key. I have lost the key. The key. Okay, correct. ഇനി അടുത്തെ. I know this story very well.
Because I
Because
have
I saw the film. Because I have seen the film.
Yes, very correct. Because I have seen the film. Very correct. ഇനി അടുത്തെ. I can't post the letter.
I hasn't put the stamp on it.
I
Haven't.
haven't put the stamp on it. Okay, correct. അടുത്തെ.
He can't stand up because he had eaten too much.
Had വരുമോ? Present perfect.
Has
Because he has eaten too much. Correct.
too much.
അടുത്തെ. They can't go on
They
holiday.
can't go on holiday
Because they have not saved money.
because they haven't saved the money.
Because they haven't saved money. Yes, because they have not saved money is correct. Very good. അടുത്തെ. I know him.
I've met him because
Because I have met him before.
Correct. Because I have met him before. Okay.
Because we haven't
we
heard
haven't
from him.
heard from him.
Yeah, we don't know how he is because we haven't heard from him. Correct?
He won't take a cigarette
Won't take
because
a cigarette
has
Because he gave up
smoking.
Because he gave up smoking, Shariano.
because
He
he
has
has
He has
up
given up smoking. Is correct. Correct. 10th one.
she can't get in because
get
he has locked the door.
She can't get in because she has locked the door. Is very correct. അപ്പോൾ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ് ഈ വീഡിയോയ്ക്ക് ശേഷം ഞാൻ നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഒരു പ്രൊമോഷൻ വീഡിയോ ഞാൻ ഫോർവേഡ് ചെയ്യുന്നതായിരിക്കും. എല്ലാവരും അത് കാണണം. എന്നിട്ട് നിങ്ങളുടെ ഫ്രണ്ട്സിനോട് അത് ഷെയർ ചെയ്യണം. ഓക്കെ, നിങ്ങളുടെ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ് ആ വീഡിയോ നിങ്ങൾ നിങ്ങളുടെ ഫ്രണ്ട്സിനോടൊപ്പം ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക. ആൻഡ് സീ ദാറ്റ് എവറി വൺ ഇസ് ബെനിഫിറ്റഡ് ബൈ ദിസ് program, by this activity that we are doing on every Sunday live session. So നമ്മുടെ content എല്ലാ കുട്ടികൾക്കും എത്തട്ടെ എന്ന് നിങ്ങൾ try ചെയ്യണം. So please watch the video and please share it with your friends and your relatives, whoever wants to learn English, spoken English പഠിക്കാൻ ആഗ്രഹിക്കുന്ന എല്ലാവർക്കും വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് ഇത് നിങ്ങൾ forward ചെയ്യണം. Okay, ചെയ്യുമോ എല്ലാവരും?
Yes, teacher.
Thank
Yes,
you.
teacher.
Thank you.
Yes,
Okay, follow the example and do the same using already. ഇവിടെ already ഒരു keyword ആണ്. Keyword ഉപയോഗിച്ച് present perfect tense ഉപയോഗിച്ച് sentence form ചെയ്യാൻ നോക്കുക. You must find the ticket soon.
I have already
found the
tickets.
Yes, you must have you must find the ticket soon. I have already found the tickets. Correct. അടുത്ത, turn the radio down, please.
I have already
turned the radio.
turned it.
I have already turned the radio down. Yes, correct. Now, forms of present tense in interrogative sentences. കേൾക്കുന്നില്ല. എന്താണ് ഹുസൈൻ? It's not clear. Network issue ആണെന്ന് തോന്നുന്നു. Devangana is trying to say something. Okay, forms of present perfect interrogative sentence നോക്കാം. നമ്മുടെ rule എന്താണ്? Have or has plus subject plus third form of the verb plus object. Can you frame sentences?
Have you found
a new apartment yet?
Have you found a new apartment yet? Correct. Yes, correct. അടുത്ത,
Someone has just
Someone has
just
stolen my bicycle.
bicycle.
Someone has just stolen my bicycle is correct. Aduthe?
Has the movie
Has the movie started yet?
Has the movie started yet?
Yes, has the movie started yet? And question mark is very correct. Okay, அடுத்தது. Have they ever
Flown a
flown
jet.
flown a jet? Correct. അടുത്ത. Now questions നോക്കാം. Have you written any letter to Meena? ഇങ്ങനെ ഒരു question ആണെങ്കിൽ no, I have not. അല്ലെങ്കിൽ yes, I have. So whenever you're framing a question in the present perfect tense, you have to use has or have when you're going to use it for yes or no kind of questions. Okay. Have you taken your meals? Yes, I have. Have you gone to his house? No, but I have yet to go. Has he given you any book? No, he has not. Has the game begun? Yes, it has started. Has father returned from office? Yes, he has returned. Have you read this book? No, I have not. Try this.
The earth has been here for millions of years.
Has been here. Very correct.
We have
played. Have played.
played
Have
cricket for the
played.
last few hours.
Correct. We have played cricket for the last few hours. They
Have had
Have
had problems with our new car recently. Correct.
Have you been working on anything?
Have you been working on anything interesting lately?
No. Have you been working is not present perfect.
Have
you
you
worked on anything interesting lately?
Have you worked on anything interesting lately is correct. Very correct. Very good.
Cuba has been
Cuba
a
has been a socialist
socialist
country
in
since 1959.
Yes, correct. That's a fact. That's very correct.
I have taken care of my neighbor's pet.
I have taken care of my neighbor's pets when they are away is very good. Correct.
I have had my ship for 3 years.
My ship for 3 years. Correct. Very good.
I have seen
Have the
my
Kung Fu Master ever won an important fight?
Have the Kung Fu Master ever won?
Has the
Okay.
Kung Fu Master ever
Has
won?
the Kung Fu Master ever won an important flight is very correct. Very good. Very correct. Anil and Mary
Have quarreled
Has
with each
quarreled.
have quarreled. ഇവിടെ രണ്ടുണ്ട്. അപ്പം subject is plural. Have quarreled. It